Okay, hello guys. Welcome. Hello, Mr. T. How are you doing?
Hello, babe. Hello. I'm fine, man. How's it how's it
Okay.
going?
Thank you. Thank you. Everything is great. Session 33, babies. Welcome.
Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Okay, so today we want to talk about the grammar. It's about be in statements and possessive adjectives. So in the previous session, session 32, we talked about some sentences about celebrities. For example, his voice is really good, her new movie is great, their matches are amazing, our favorite team is on TV tonight. So these words, these highlighted words are possessive adjectives. Okay? So before we talk about the grammar, let's listen to the statements. We want to listen to the track for this grammar. Be in the statements, possessive adjectives. Okay, let's listen together.
Page 23. 2. Grammar. Be in statements. Possessive adjectives. Be in statements. Possessive adjectives.
I'm a Johnny Depp fan. My favorite actor is Johnny Depp. You're a tennis fan. Your favorite sport is tennis. He's an actor. His new movie is great. She's a famous singer. Her voice is amazing.
We're Giants fans. Our favorite team is the Giants.
They're tennis players. Their matches are exciting.
Okay, so we talked about these sentences. Before we continue, let's look at some new sentences. Well, look at this. Johnny Depp's movie.
He's
His movie. Adele's voice. Her voice. Tennis players' matches. Their matches. So as I said, these words, his, her, and their, are called possessive adjectives. We can say his or Johnny Depp's. Okay, so because Johnny Depp is a man, we say his. And Adele is a woman, we say her. We use her for women. And tennis players, there are some tennis players, maybe 3 or 4 or 5. It's plural. We say their matches. Okay, so let's complete the chart. Possessive adjectives. We have my book, my house. For he, we say his. Her for girls. Our, their, and its. Now, let's talk about subject pronouns. So, what are subject pronouns? Like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So for my, what is the subject pronoun? Tell me please.
I. Please calm down and zoom out. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Good.
I, my, how about his,
His,
he, right?
her, she,
She,
our,
we, right?
their, they,
They,
it.
it. Okay. Now this time we have this chart. As I said, we have the subject pronoun and possessive adjectives. Now we want to talk about the verb be. We know that the verb be in English is, there are 3 verbs. Am, is, are. These 3 verbs are be verbs in English, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we want to put these verbs in the correct place. So for I, we can say I'm, right? I'm is the short form of I am. Next, for he, we can say
His,
is. It's the short form of
he is.
is. She,
She is. Short
short
form.
form,
She is.
she is. Okay.
We are.
We're, contraction, short
Yeah.
form,
We are.
we are. They,
There.
they're, excellent.
They
And
are.
they are. And the next one is it.
It.
It's short form, and the long form is it
It
is.
is.
Okay. So this chart is very important. Make sure to memorize it and practice it a lot. Okay. So we have these sentences here. So we talked about this possessive adjectives. Here we have the common errors. Let's check them out. The book says don't add s to a possessive adjective. You cannot say theirs matches. It's wrong. Or my's favorite movie. He, hers. That's wrong. Ours. Okay? So don't use s with possessive adjective. You can only use s with his, she's, and its. Right? Let's move on to part A. We have this exercise. Before we do that, we have the pictures of some celebrities. Number one, what job do they have? What is it?
Singer?
Singer, yeah. It's a band maybe. The name of the band is Foo. Picture two, what is it?
Soccer player?
Soccer player, yeah. Do you know what team are they? What team is it?
Manchester?
Manchester, right. Manchester United. Okay. This one, this
Actor?
guy is actor.
Model
Yeah.
or actor?
Yeah, he's an actor. And picture four, who's she?
Singer.
She's a singer, and her name is Adele.
Adele.
We want to complete these conversations with the words in the box. A, my favorite band is Foo Fighters. My favorite band. Number two.
I'm a big fan of their music.
Excellent. I'm a big fan of their music. Yeah. You can say
They are good.
they are good. Yes,
They're.
good. Okay, let's move on to number two. In my family, big soccer fans.
Where we are.
We are.
It's our favorite sport.
Our favorite sport. Excellent. Okay, I read B. Yeah, my brother is a soccer fan. He's a Manchester United fan. He's a Manchester United fan. Number three. A, you read please.
What's your favorite movie?
Your favorite movie.
The Hang.
The Hunger. I read B. The Hunger Games.
Oh yeah, Josh Hutcherson is one of my favorite actors. His movies are
Yes,
always
his
good.
movies are really good. His movies are really good. Okay. Number four. You read A, I read B.
You are a big fan of Adele, right?
Yeah, her voice is amazing. She's talented. Her voice is amazing. She's very talented. Okay. Any questions?
No.
At the end of the video, we want to ask you a question. Okay? What's the question, Mr. T? Can you please read
What's
that?
your favorite movie?
Yes. Tell us your favorite movie in the comments section, okay?
Thank you guys. Bye.